Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and four well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.